Hey y'all, this your girl Lexi D.
It's your girl Gucci.
And we just have to address the ratchetness at PV Nation. You know.
Hold up. The song's played itself.
You're right. Oh my God. What is with that house like that? Why did she come after you see looking like that?
She is doing the most. She is doing the most.
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Get a phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna pick this hoe on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. She's ratchet. She can stand her. Oh, she's too ratchet.
Cause she ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yeah, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes, what's up? How to get cute today? I have a boundaries for a boost today. How to see the little girl to my baby dad just baby on here, so he'll shoot today. We better get new shoes today. Check for check today. Got tracks yesterday. Girl, did you get the glue today? Don't be fit out. Move train.
Get out my way.
The 15th, I got my food stamp. Got a brand new person.
Here.
Brand new tech. Pay $95 for this weed plus tax. No hair with this cake alone. Thinking that you're better than me, well, then when you think you're wrong. Whatever, she'll lie. My number, boy, bye. What's wrong with you? Oh, girl. Oh, hey, girl. You looking cute.
Get it.
The new sewing, girl.
Get it.
Wait. Okay. We're gonna talk about that, girl. OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'll put that hoe on Twitter.
No, you ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them Gordons on.
She ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
She ratchet.
Stand her. Oh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
My name is Lexi D, but my boyfriends call me Con.
Alright.
Club, and you drink, and you tell yourself your thong.
Lego.
Yes, I am the baddie. Have this boo-boo song, because 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Maury, guys got the dress on. Jody Hills match my press on. Same pink, dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Duck, look at my picture. New Ivy got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter.
Get at me.
Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown.
Okay.
Team Shut It Up, then it's Team
I mean,
Shut
what
It
you
Down.
wanna do?
I'm a Team Bad Chick. Team It's Your Man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Paying.
That right.
Why not? He might spend it on me. I'm on my shit. I'm doing me.
See, it's right.
You don't want looking ratchet.
Doing the
You might as well spend it on me. Cause
She is doing
no. TSU girls don't know.
TSU.
OMG, what does she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
You always gotta get about
Girl's wrong. I'm gonna take this picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm gonna put this hoe on Twitter.
Right.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm so grown.
See you ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch him in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
Can't stand her. Oh, she's so fake.
She ratchet.
Oh, what's up with all these TSU girls thinking they shit with these red heels on, these tights on?
Face them ass.
Y'all got the TSU, PV Hyundai cleaners. What's up? Girl, they don't. Ooh, boy, bye.